Alright, 7:30 here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We are doing 6-box break of Diamond Kings. Move these guys over. Get the what's Juju Baby doing over here? Juju Baby. Alright. Thank you for jumping in. Here are your teams. Yeah, I'm solo tonight. Thursdays I rock solo. Wednesdays Toby rocks solo. So here are your squads. If you don't know, now you do. Alright. Limited. Who'd you have, Apples? Yeah, the Colts. You hit a Moncrief auto. I know that. Moncrief out of, I think it was out of 25. But that was all that I hit for the Colts. What's up, Gumby? There, he's finally saying hello to me. I thought you were avoiding me, Gumby. Gumbo! Find 2 autograph or memorabilia cards per box. If we can get into it. Alright. In the other room, that's no excuse. I don't want to hear it. Alright, good luck, guys. I wonder if Toby... Again, I didn't watch Toby break this last night, so I'm gonna alter. This guy's an executive. Is this a hit? Card is backwards. Toby said something about backwards cards might be short prints, so this might be Ty Cobb short print. I don't know, but might be. I need those. Not numbered there. Yeah, this is the first time I'm opening this, and actually, seeing. I've seen the cards, but I haven't actually. I got a little baby card here. Little baby jersey. Carlos Rodon, 73 out of 99. Carlos Rodon for the White Sox. That is Mr. Efson getting the baby card. The little baby card. The little baby card. Kyle Schwarber. Okay, I see. Because the other Schwarber card I saw last night was of him hitting. So. The little baby card. Jason Hayward frame. I don't know if Toby was doing anything with the frames or not. Jacob McGrum. Alright. Baseman. Slotch. Is numbered? Nope, not numbered. Baseman. Again, Supreme Football should be ending on eBay now still. And then I believe Gypsy Queen. Gypsy Queen Baseball should be ending after that. I believe that's the order we're rocking tonight. Some base dudes. Ooh. A little baby Chris Bryant for the Cubbies. Little baby Chris Bryant. Nolan Ryan. This card is backwards. So that might be his variation. Again, I'm not sure on this, but Tommy was saying something about watch out for backwards cards, so I don't know. Anyways. We ship out all cards, PO8. All cards will ship. This is a fat. Huh, this is going to be sick, I have a feeling. Oh, wow. Stephen Piscotty for the Cardinals. 618 Jimbo. This is numbered 3 of 5. 3-color, 2-color patch auto studio portrait. That is a nice card right there. 618 Jim B. Yeah, that is nice. 3 of 5. Wow. There we go. There we go. Boom. That is a fat card too. The thing is thick. Oh. Variations. Okay, Golden Apples. Yeah, so those are variations. Alright, thank you. So this is a frame. Severino frame. Aficionado. Yeah, more breaks ending on eBay right now. Breaks ending on the Bay right now, guys. Jump in it to win it. And grab some spots in the Shopify. Grab some spots in the store. Let's fill up that diet one. Maybe fill up. It just says here on this says find 2 autograph or memorabilia cards per box on average. So that's all it says on the box. So it looks like 2 hits per box. Can be looks like either or. Baby Joey Gallo, Cal Ripken. All right, not a bad start. Not a bad start at all. Thank you, Apple. Gummy, who you got? You got Dodgers? Alright, so we gotta get you some Dodgers. Like Corey Seager, maybe? Is he in here? I'm sure he is. Or maybe like if Jackie Robinson's in here. No number on that one. He's on it. Apples is on it. This card is numbered. This is numbered out of 9. It's an artist proof for the White Sox. Going to Mr. Efson. Trace Thompson out of 99. got a baby Jimmy Fox. Jimmy Fox baby guy. Aficionado D. Gordon. So we got another thick hit here. Oh no, we didn't. We just got a... Oh, okay. This is the Chris Bryant variation. Chris Bryant variation for the Cubbies. Going to go Pats go! Go Pats go! All right. Alright, nothing to it. Mike Trout, DK original. It looks shinier than some of the other ones, but I guess it's not. That goes to the Philadelphia Athletics, I believe. I will confirm. I'll have to confirm that when we do the sort, but I believe he is Philadelphia Athletics. So it will go to the Athletics. I'll just have to confirm though on that, but I believe it will go to the A's. Baby Tom Murphy for the Rockies. Aficionado Beltray. Some rookie dudes. Lou Gehrig backwards. Lou Gehrig variation for the Yankees going to Red Sox. Yeah. One second, guys. We are officially on Gypsy Queen now. Looks like the Cubbies just ended, so. Yeah, we are on Gypsy Queen on eBay. Gypsy Queen ending now on eBay. Schwarber got hurt. No. Ooh, Carlos Rodon for the White Sox. Jerseys, two jerseys, a green jersey and a pinstripe jersey. 33 out of 49. Going to the White Sox, Mr. Efson. Yeah, that's two Rodons. Yep. Double up on the Rodon. Double up on the Rodon. Yeah, mini jersey, and now we got Roger Clemens frame for the Yankees. Some dudes. Gilbert, I didn't see what happened to Schwarber, so I unfortunately can't help you on that one. So it's gonna be a rookie jersey auto for the Mariners, Ketel Marte. Mariners is Golden Apples at a 99. Apple's getting that one. Is he a stud really? I don't know enough about him. Are you talking about Kettle Mart? Okay. Wow. I remember seeing his first cards in. I saw some cards in. What was he in that we were seeing him? Zach Lee for the Dodgers frame. And base. Alright, box 3. Okay, we're in this one. There we go. Again, Gypsy Queen Baseball ending on eBay now. Gypsy Queen Baseball ending on the eBay now. Chuck Line frame. Slotch. Josh Donaldson. Again, I'll have to check them out, Hendrix. When we sort them, we always check. So, we will definitely check on those. Artist proof Dallas Keuchel for the Astros, going to Mellow Yellow, 80 out of 99. No worries, Hendrix. But like I said, yeah, we always check. So, baby Ricky Henderson for the Yankees. Aficionado. Slotch. There's a little piece of an old card that came off. Throw that away. Some residue from a different card. What the heck am this bag? Stupid. Random that off. Now it's going in the trash. We ain't got no time for that. There's nothing in this pack. Alright, Babe Ruth. Gypsy Queen ending on the Bay. Gypsy Queen. Supreme Football breaking next. We also have Prism Baseball tonight and Prism Football. Alvarez for Baltimore. Rookie. Baby mini rookie. Baby card, baby card, baby card. Alright. Miguel Sano variation for the Twins. Conforto. Alright, POA. When I'm done with this break, I'll send you a $0 invoice for that one. Ooh, this is going to be a nice card, I think. Yep, Dustin Pedroia. Bat jersey. For the Red Sox. Going to Red Sox. Go, Pats, go. That is number 21 out of 25. There you go. Go, Pats, go. Go, Pats, go. There's that guy. Kettle Marte. Yeah, these guys. It's going to be a fun sort. Joe DiMaggio variation. For the Yankees, Jose Canseco. Should have, I think we still have one more hit in there. It's going to be in here. Let's see. Yep, it's right here. Mac Williamson, rookie jersey auto for the Giants. Flawless is tomorrow. Who's got the Giants? Sir Mello. Mellow Yellow. That one is numbered out of 299. 74 of 299. Mac Williamson. I'm not real familiar with that guy. Is he a stud? He got a lot of potential. Old Mac Williamson. Is he gonna be the next studly man? Miguel Sano, blue frame for the Twins, going to Tony. Out of 99, 61 of 99. Expressionist. Alex Gordon. Alright. See what Purple Chair's got cooking. Think he is a top prospect. Cool. Yeah, I need to start doing my research on these rookies. I know some of them, but I don't know all of them. Gosh, these boxes are like... They got these... Oh, it was just expressionist or whatever. Express yourself. Express yourself. Alright, base dudes. Chris Bryant, aficionado. Yeah. Definitely. Always want some autos. Always want some ink. Ink on that. Yeah, Brewers just ended in Gypsy Queen. So we're on the Twins, I think. Alright, so that's it. Nothing in that pack. That pack was pretty boring. That pack was not fun. Alright, what we got here? Chris Bryant. And we got Baby Matt Carpenter for the, yeah, this is Diamond King number 2. Awkward. Ricky Henderson, he's expressing himself. Yeah. Any Brewers? Brewers. Low? No. No hits for the Brewers that I know of. Here's another variation of Chris Bryant. That's the second one of this half. Yeah, Brewers. I don't know who the Brewers have, so I don't know. I mean, unless they got some Robin Yount or Paul Molitor stuff in here or something like that. I'm assuming they have some sort of some rookie, but I don't know who he would be. All right, we do have a hit here out of 99. Oh, there is a veteran. Matt Carpenter for the Cardinals, going to 618. Jim, Cardinals team to get, at least in this portion of it. Matt Carpenter, 14 of 99. This guy's backwards. Oh, it's a frame. Colin Ray frame. Yeah, a lot of people that do not like the Cardinals. Oh. Base dudes. Oh, Brett Phillips, I forgot. Yeah, he got traded. He traded from the Astros, right? He was an Astro. There's nothing in that bag. Robin Yount, Raleigh Fingers, Zach Davies, Michael Reed. Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember he was an Astro in last year's stuff. Kirby Puckett, baby card, the Twinkies. Express Yourself, Upton. Lou Gehrig variation. Toby was the one that broke last night, so. Ooh, Gumby. So, whatever Toby pulled for you. Gumbo! Pee Wee Reese. Jersey Bat. Royalty. Elements of Royalty. McClellan, you love me, so don't even start. 6 of 99. Gumbo. Again, Pee Wee. At least it's not Pee Wee Herman. It's Pee Wee Reese. Now that's the kind of stuff I'm looking for. Old school relics. I like those. Love that stuff. That's what I want to see more of. Shoeless Joe Jackson frame. Alright. Kid Rock's turn. You ready to rock? BK Brawler. Muscle and fitness. No. And I don't think I want to see that, so I think I'll pass on that one. I think I'll pass on that one. I think I'll be alright. I think I'll be alright without seeing that. I think I'll sleep okay tonight. Joey Votto. Joey Votto. Jose Canseco looking mighty good. Right? Nah, I ain't clicking. You know you want to click it. You know you can't. You know you can't stop. They gave him a cover treatment. That's great. That is great. Earl Averill for the Cleveland Indians. Go Tribe, go. That's what I'll say. Baby card. Wow, freaking Ozzie Smith doing a flip. Ozzie Smith expressing himself doing a flip. Yeah, you did. You guys did work. You guys did work. Now finish off that work tonight. Miguel Sano variation. We gotta finish off that diamond football. I got 2 more National Treasures coming tomorrow. Fill those suckers up. Alright, who's this? Anthony Rendon. Yeah, I know. The variations aren't very hard to get, it seems. Also, Gypsy Queen ending on eBay right now. Gypsy Queen. Rendon. For the Nationals, going to Red Sox. Go, Pats, go! Jersey Auto. 5 of 10. Wow. That is a low. Rendon. I like to call him Rendon. Just for fun. 5 of 10. Low number on that one. There you go. Go, Pats, go. I like that. That's Corey Seager. Makes it more fun when you can just... Alright. Artist proof, Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. Going to Chris Sabo. That is number 61. 61 out of 99. And we have a frame of Pompey. Babe Ruth. Babe Ruth. Blamone! I think you have a question. Oh, many years ago. He used to live in Milwaukee. He grew up there. He was a wee little child there. That pack was not fun. Don't like that pack. There was no fun in that pack. No fun at all. No good. Baby card. Jason Hayward. I don't even have him on the Cubs. Why? I don't know. Who's this? David Ortiz is expressing himself. Roberto Clemente variation for the Pirates. Jake Arrieta. Uh-oh, this is going to be nice. Ken Griffey Jr. for the Mariners. Golden Apples. Jersey. Is this out of 10 too? 3 of 10. Golden Apples. Nice. Yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nicey. Nice one. Got himself a Ken Griffey Jr. Oh, I think we got another. Oh no, this is Chris Bryant. Blue. This one's not numbered. Blue frame. Chris Bryant, blue frame. I think that's his variation pose. Oh, but anyways, that's probably a rare card. Oh, Apples, you got Ken Griffey Jr. Don't worry about the baby. The baby's just fine. He's at a 10. It's a nice card. Chris Bryant blue frame, and it's his variation pose. So that's probably a good card. I don't know, but go check on the baby again. It's good luck. The baby's bringing you good luck. Nationals just ended. Looks like we're on Prism Football on eBay. Prism Football ending on eBay now. Last box mojo, guys. Good luck. Alright. Let's see a Yount. Alright. It worked for you last night, Red Dog, when you went to bed. You got a Chris K. Bizzle Auto. Slotch. Spaceman. Red Dog, going to bed. We got Gil McDougald, baby car. Gil, I'm just going to call him Gil. Express Yourself, Andy Pettit. Yeah, McClellan had 3 Smoltz autos. He was like, Smoltz out. He was like, dude, I got every John Smoltz auto I could possibly ever want. Another Lou Gehrig variation. It's like the 4th one of this half, whatever, quarter case. I don't know what these are. Pete Rose. Alright. Something out of 49 here coming up. Chris Sale auto. Sketches and swatches for the White Sox. White Sox is Mr. Efson. Yeah, it looks like Coo, C-O-O. Coo, Patty Coo. 8 of 49. It looks like he just wrote Coo on there. My name is Coo. You can call me Coo. My friends call me Coo. I'm still getting ready to 10 with Beckett. Ooh, Babe Ruth numbered card. Babe Ruth blue frame out of 99 for the Yankees. Going to go, Pats, go. Go, Pats, go. Go, Pats, go. You are getting a Babe Ruth blue frame. Looks like a pair of glasses, yes. There you go, that's probably a better Slotchy aficionado. Some dudes. Seems like the only fun packs to open are the badder ones. These silly ones are not funny. Mr. Magoo's glasses. Exactly what that is. Oh, except it's got this baby Ty Cobb. Baby Ty Cobb. King Griffey Jr. expressing himself. It's on the Reds on that one though. He's expressing himself on the Reds there. Michael Conforto variation for the Mets. One of these days there will be. We pulled Robin Yount Shadowbox autos before out of Strata. I don't know what this is, but it's freaking. What is this? The heck is this? Pee Wee Reese. Again, Pee Wee! And this thing is like giant framed thing. 99 of 99. Prism football ending on the bay now. Prism football ending on the bay. That goes to Gumbo. And it's got a small little jersey. It's a baby relic frame thing in Jimmy Jigger. eBay. Hello, Lauren. Hello. How are you? Framed mini. I love the full Pee Wee. Pee Wee. Anthony Rizzo. Frame. For the Cubbies. If you're waiting on any invoices for Supreme or Whatever else. That's it. That's the breaks. That's how them breaks go. Alright, stop the